this video, we're going to be talking about the 3 main problems that people experience and how to overcome them. Problem number 1. People have a problem with their self-image, their self-worth. When they're imagining themselves in front of the camera, they have this tendency to imagine themselves as looking funny or looking stupid or dumb or whatever it is that they have these ideas about themselves on camera. So we have to be able to overcome this main problem first of self-image and self-worth. And the way you do this is very, very simple. Number 1, self-care routine. In the morning, every morning, you gotta take care of yourself first before taking care of others. You have to develop some sort of self-care routine, self-care techniques that you do. Like for instance, I got a haircut yesterday. Okay, I feel great. Today in the morning, wash my face, brush my teeth, whatever you need to do to take care of yourself first, please do that, because that's going to change your whole energy tremendously. Now, the other thing is imagination. So I want you every morning before you record a video, every morning and every night. These are the 2 most important times. When you first wake up and before you go to bed, imagine yourself on camera just killing it, just slaying it, just being super fantastic on camera. You're just amazing on camera. You're just seeing yourself. Close your eyes and just imagine yourself just being amazing on camera, and that will change your self-image to start thinking of yourself as this better image on camera. This is number 1. Number 2, the second main problem, and this goes to the mindset and the psychology of simply how our brain's wired, which are 2 things actually. The first one is the mere exposure effect, and this happens when we are so used to seeing ourselves on the mirror. When you go to the washroom and go wherever and you see yourself on a mirror, on camera sometimes this is flipped. So there is a specific option on your camera to change that to mirror the way you look, so that you're not looking so different. Because if you look here in this image, you will see basically 2 faces. One is the one that how you see yourself on the mirror, and then the other one is how you see yourself on the camera. Some of the phones already have this automatic where, you know, when you have the selfie mode, you're already mirrored and you don't see the mirror, the unmirrored version of yourself, which is the way that people see you. And believe it or not, this does affect a lot of people. And the way to overcome that, or how to fix it, is simply go through your options of your phone. If it's not already mirrored, then select the mirror option, and that what it will do is it will show yourself as you are in front of the mirror, rather, you know, from a different perspective of how people are seeing you, right? And when I record my video and take a look at it after, I have a tendency to look only for the faults, to confirm the belief that I believed before making the videos, which is, oh, this video is gonna sound a little bit whatever different, and this video is not gonna sound right. So if I already have that belief, then when I look at the video, I'm gonna look at it from that lens, and I'm gonna only look for the faults. And we have that tendency to only look for the faults when we're creating videos. So please be aware of this fact, and when you're creating the video next time, do not think that you have all these negative beliefs about yourself. And when you're looking at the video, look at it from this lens. Okay, these are the things that I need to improve, and these are the things that I did good and I did well on camera. So look at it from this side and be, okay, what can I improve next time? And this leads me to next point, which is developing this automatic success mechanism as well. And I won't go in depth into this one because this is a longer topic. I probably will make another video on this. But basically, it's all about developing this mechanism that teaches you how to look for areas of improvement. And then in the next video, you're going to improve it, right? So it's just like riding a bike. When you first learn how to ride a bike, you're going to fall a couple of times. And then eventually, after you've course corrected many times, you already know how to ride your bike. So it's the same concept. Moving on, the third problem, or the third thing that people need to overcome in order for them to be able to deliver amazing looking video is their energy and their certainty is low. Now your energy is low because sometimes you might not be feeling like making a video or whatever. Then just don't make a video on that day. Just simply make a video on a day where you're feeling good, right? This would be the simple solution. Another solution would be using an LLP technique, which is basically closing your eyes, going back to a time where you actually, or a memory, where you actually were feeling amazing, you're feeling great, right? And we can do this technique right now. So I'm going back to that memory of me feeling amazing. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to intensify that memory in my mind. What I'm going to do is, using my imagination, I'm going to give it more light, or I'm going to give it more sound, vibration, and I'm going to have the feeling of what I felt at that moment in time, which is absolute high energy, absolute certainty. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going, after I feel that, and after I intensify the memory, I'm going to clap or do this or do some sort of sound to bring me back to this reality here. And what I've done is, because your subconscious mind doesn't really know the difference between, you know, imagination and real life, is you kind of tricked your mind to think that you're there now. And that's really important, why you kind of do something in this world, in this physical reality, that kind of connect you to that memory and bring it here. And what you do, if not from the first time you're able to get to that energy, high energy level, you got to do this multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, to be able to get to that state. And once you're in that state, then you're in a better place to be able to record a video. Now, in terms of certainty, certainty has to do with the knowledge and the information that you're delivering. Know your stuff. Practice, practice, practice. And as you're looking at me right now, I'm not memorizing things. I do have my bullet points in front of me there on the board, and I'm just kind of looking at them and delivering as I'm saying, but I'm delivering from my subconscious mind because I already know these things, and I'm literally just flowing the information out. So the way to be able to know how to do this is, you know, and this is what I share with my people that are joining in my groups, Essence Branding Success Secrets group. If you're interested in, just slide into my DM and I'll send you the link to join this group, is basically being able to use the process of memorizing and learning your video, then forgetting about it, and then coming back and delivering the same video at a later moment in time. What this does is it helps your subconscious mind to categorize and save that information into your subconscious, to be able to, when you're delivering the video, you're delivering it from a place of knowingness, from a place of certainty, so you're able to create these better looking videos. Thank you so much. This has been Saul, coming at you from sauljudea.com. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to join my Facebook group, Essence Branding Success Secrets, where I'm going to be sharing this content there and more content similar to this one. And have a great day.